So today, ladies and gentlemen, Aprilia Tuono Nords, Power Commander Nords, I'm going to show you how to quickly install a new map. Sorry about that. Install a new map on your PC3. So my PC3 is hidden in the little hump unit here. So I've connected the 9-volt battery. I've connected my computer lead here with the special lead. Here's the 9-volt battery. So we're plugged in. So I've got a nice picture of my bike there. So if I fire up the Power Commander app, yep, so we're connected. We've got throttle. So if I twiddle the throttle, we won't have anything because I need to turn the ignition on. That's what I remember with this. So even though you've got it, to get the signal from the TPS, obviously the bike needs to be powered up. So not a problem. So basically what we do, we go to open map file, and this is where I've stored the map. So this is the one I want to put in. SPK chip, Aprilia Tuono. Click on it. That's the one. So double click on it. Would you like to save this before opening? Yes. No, we don't, because we've already got it. So let's do that again. Open map. That's the one to open. Open. There it is on there now. So you can see it there. And then basically click here. Send map. Saying send a map at the bottom. Power Commander has a map sent successfully. Okay, that. And there's your map done there. Completely installed. So that's simple. Obviously you need to download the map to the desired place on your PC. So this is the generic one for the Aprilia and SPK chip off the Power Commander site. So it's a generic map. So yes, it could be mapped a lot better, mapping the front and rear cylinder separately, but I'm not at that stage yet. But this is just the basic map off their site. But what I do notice, so I have my ECU on here, the trim pot set at 12 o'clock. So you can see at the beginning here, it's taken a lot of fuel away at very low throttle positions till about 3,500. But here at 1500, we get to 20% throttle all the way up to 100, and it's adding quite a bit of a fuel there. So it's quite an interesting map, and obviously the zeros are leaving the fueling the same as what it's coming from the ECU. So yeah, interesting. But just thought I'd share that with you, how easy it is to put a new map on the PC3. So it's all new to me, but now I'm beginning to realise how simple it is. But obviously you need a dyno. But what I have done, I have now ran this map on my bike with an AFR sensor in both cans, and the tick over AFR's pretty good actually. It's almost a tad lean. So strangely enough, it's going to take even more fuel away here. It does make you wonder if it's right, but I'm going to try it on the road and see how it is. But I just thought I'd share that with you, and then obviously shut your program down on your computer before you unplug. Job's a good one. Thanks for watching.